DeFi didn't truly take off as an industry until 2020. That year, the sector saw exponential growth, with the total value deposited into DeFi products climbing 30-fold.
Why is DeFi booming like crazy? Why is it growing at insane speeds while traditional banks are, well, kinda just sitting there? A few years ago, DeFi barely existed. Today, it's a multi-billion-dollar market, and it's not slowing down.
DeFi services have attracted billions of dollars in funds, and proponents of the trend believe that it will become an even bigger industry, rivaling the mainstream financial institutions we're familiar with today.
Why? Because DeFi solves real problems. Let me show you 3 big reasons why DeFi is booming. 1. No middlemen equals no banks, no delays, no crazy fees. Full control over your money. Goodbye, banks.
With traditional finance, your funds are stored and managed by centralized institutions like banks.
Banks have been running the financial system for centuries, but let's be honest, they're slow, expensive, and full of red tape. When you deposit money in a bank, who really owns it? Not you. The bank does. They can freeze your funds, limit withdrawals, or even go bankrupt, taking your money with them. With DeFi, there are no middlemen, no bank managers, no waiting days for a transaction to clear. It's all instant, thanks to blockchain and smart contracts. Your crypto, your private keys, your rules. This is financial freedom at a level banks can't compete with. 2. Higher returns than banks. Your money works harder.
These firms make money by lending out your cash and charging interest on top of the loans. They also collect various fees and commissions for the provision of their services.
Let's talk about making money. Banks suck at making you money. They give you what? 0.1% interest on your savings? Maybe 1% if you're lucky? Inflation? 5% plus. That means your money in the bank is losing value. In DeFi, you can earn 5%, 10%, even 20% or more on your crypto.
Rates on these decentralized lending platforms are adjusted by an algorithm based on how much demand there is for the loans.
And unlike a bank where they decide what to do with your money, in DeFi, you are in control. You stake it, lend it, or invest it how you want. It's all on you. No wonder people are ditching banks and going to DeFi. 3. Global access equals finance for everyone. Here's something huge. Right now, 1.4 billion people worldwide don't have access to a bank account. That means no savings, no loans, no financial freedom. In traditional finance, banks decide who gets access to money. No credit history, no loan. Wrong country? Sorry. No account for you. Want to send money? High fees, slow transfers. DeFi doesn't care where you're from. No credit checks. No banks rejecting you. As long as you have an internet connection, you can be part of the new financial system. And that's the power of Web3, giving financial freedom to everyone. This is huge for billions of unbanked people worldwide.
Yes, that sounds amazing!
DeFi's growth is insane and the numbers prove it. Higher returns, more access. Total control. This is why DeFi is exploding and why banks are scared. So yeah, DeFi is taking off like a rocket. But before you go all in, there's something you need to know. DeFi isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It has risks, big risks. And if you're not careful, you could lose everything.